The sun rises over the Arabian Peninsula, casting a golden glow on a city of glass and steel, Dubai. The first rays strike the Burj Khalifa, the city's iconic spire, as the cool morning air hints at the energy to come. Streets begin to stir, the city's intricate network slowly coming alive. Dubai is a dream, made real, ambition rising from the sands. Light reveals a landscape of architectural marvels, their surfaces shimmering in gold and silver. The city's hum grows with the sun, cars moving like stars in the pre-dawn. From above, Dubai stretches between the blue gulf and the endless desert, a place of contrasts. Modern towers meet rolling dunes, innovation thriving between sea and sand. The morning light paints a breathtaking balance of nature and human achievement. As the sun climbs, shadows retreat and colors intensify. Glass towers sparkle, canals glimmer, palm trees cast elegant shadows. Dubai transforms from quiet promise to dynamic reality, a hub of commerce, culture, and life. Even at its busiest, the city retains the majesty of its beginnings. The rising sun is a daily reminder of Dubai's extraordinary journey. Here, possibility is endless, and every dawn is a new beginning. At Dubai's heart stands the Burj Khalifa, a symbol of human achievement. Inspired by the desert flower Hymenocalyx, its base spreads like petals, supporting a spire that pierces the sky. High-speed elevators whisk visitors upward, revealing the city shrinking below and the coastline curving into the horizon. From the observation deck, Dubai unfolds like a living map, desert, sea and sky in one breathtaking view. Building the Burj Khalifa demanded global expertise, innovation and resilience against desert extremes. Thousands of glass panels create a shimmering exterior, changing color with the light silver by day, gold at sunset, sparkling at night. The tower is a landmark visible from anywhere in the city, a constant on the skyline. It embodies Dubai's vision for the future, a bold statement of ambition. More than engineering, it's a work of art, inspiring awe in all who see it. The Burj Khalifa is a reminder that imagination and determination know no limits. It stands as a beacon for the region and the world. Here, the earth meets the sky in a single, unbroken line. The Burj Khalifa is Dubai's ultimate wonder. It is a spire reaching for the heavens. At the Burj Khalifa's base, the Dubai fountain dazzles with water, light and music. By day, the lake is calm, mirroring the tower. By night, it transforms into a stage for spectacle. Crowds gather as music begins, classical or contemporary, each show unique. Water jets soar over 150 meters, dancing in perfect sync with the melody. As darkness falls, thousands of lights and color projectors illuminate the jets, painting the night sky. The performance is a ballet of water and light, mesmerizing and ever-changing. The fountain's choreography is never the same twice, blending art and technology. It brings people together in shared wonder, a celebration of Dubai's creative spirit. The Dubai fountain is more than entertainment. It's a symbol of unity and joy. Here, water and light become poetry. Each show is a gift to the city and its visitors. Dubai's heart beats in the rhythm of the fountain. Rising near the city's center, the Museum of the Future looks like it's arrived from another era. Its torus shape, covered in flowing Arabic calligraphy, symbolizes humanity's endless quest for knowledge. The open center represents the unknown, the future yet to be discovered. Calligraphy doubles as windows, letting light in by day and glowing at night. The building itself is a statement, creativity and technology united for a better world. Inside, the museum is an immersive journey into tomorrow. Space travel, sustainable living, health innovations. Interactive exhibits spark curiosity, encouraging visitors to imagine solutions for global challenges. It's a hub for research, learning and collaboration, hosting workshops and talks on future trends. The museum evolves with new ideas, a living laboratory of progress. It stands as a beacon of hope and optimism, not just for Dubai, but for all humanity. The Museum of the Future invites everyone to dream and create. It's a place where imagination shapes reality. Here, the future is always within reach. Dubai's skyline is a gallery of wonders, and two icons stand out: the Cayenne Tower and the Burj Al Arab. The Cayenne Tower twists 90 degrees from base to top, its helical form reducing wind force and offering ever-changing views. It's a dynamic sculpture, a masterpiece of modern design. Along the coast, the Burj Al Arab rises like a sail, a tribute to Dubai's maritime heritage. Built on its own island, its glowing exterior and luxurious interior set new standards for hospitality. The Burj Al Arab is a beacon of opulence, visible for miles. Together, these structures showcase Dubai's bold creativity and ambition. Here, architecture becomes art, and the skyline tells a story of innovation. Dubai turns dreams into reality, one building at a time. Beyond Dubai's towers lies the vast Arabian desert, a world of silence and beauty. Golden dunes, sculpted by wind, stretch to the horizon, their shapes ever-changing. The sand glows from pale yellow to deep orange as the sun moves across the sky. Life persists here, hardy plants and camels, the ships of the desert, move with quiet grace. At sunset, the desert transforms, shadows lengthen, colors deepen, and peace settles over the land. The silence is profound, broken only by the whisper of wind. This moment connects you to nature's timeless rhythm. The desert teaches patience, resilience, and the value of stillness. It's a place to clear the mind and refresh the spirit. The contrast between ancient desert and modern city defines Dubai's unique character. Here, beauty is simple, pure, and unforgettable. The desert is Dubai's silent, enduring heart. Rising from the Arabian Gulf, Palm Jumeirah is an engineering marvel shaped like a palm tree. Built from millions of tons of sand and rock, it's visible from space and adds new coastline to Dubai. The trunk is a bustling boulevard, the fronds, luxurious villas with private beaches. Every home enjoys sea views and a sense of exclusivity. The Crescent Breakwater hosts lavish resorts, offering ultimate luxury and relaxation. Connected by bridge and monorail, the island feels both accessible and secluded. Palm Jumeirah is a symbol of Dubai's bold vision and creativity. It's a man-made oasis, blending natural beauty with human ingenuity. The island has transformed Dubai's coastline and global image. Here, imagination truly becomes reality. Dubai's coastline is where city meets sea, a place of beauty and vibrant life. Pristine beaches and clear waters offer escape and relaxation for all. Luxury marinas bustle with yachts, cafes, and boutiques, reflecting Dubai's status as a global leisure hub. Promenades invite strolls beside boats and city views. Exclusive resorts line the shore, providing sanctuaries of comfort and world-class service. The sea is woven into Dubai's identity, from fishing and pearl diving to water sports and trade. The relationship between city and sea is ever-evolving yet always strong. Here, energy and tranquility coexist in perfect harmony. The coastline is a living reflection of Dubai's unique spirit. It's where the city's pulse meets the ocean's calm. As night falls, Dubai transforms into a city of light and wonder. Skyscrapers become pillars of illumination, the Burj Khalifa a canvas for dazzling LED shows. The skyline glows against the night, reflected in the waters of the marina and creek. Boats adorned with lights glide along, adding to the enchantment. The Dubai Fountain's nighttime performance captivates with color and motion. Rooftop lounges, world-class restaurants, and bustling souks offer endless nightlife options. The city pulses with energy, glamour, and excitement. Dubai's contrasts, desert, sea, skyscrapers, are even more striking after dark. It's a place where ambition meets beauty, and every night is unforgettable. Dubai at night is a memory that lingers, a city building the future, one dazzling moment at a time.